Does that happen to you that you're so into a book and suddenly you remember to do something, and as soon as you leave your desk the wind magically doesn't work, and unfortunately you don't even remember your page number, and after you come back you're like searching for the page for like 10 hours and you can't even find it? Don't worry, I got your back and I present you the super easy bookmarks so you can know where exactly you are. For this very first bookmark, all you guys need is a paper clip and some patches. I'm not going to show you how to make patches in this video as I already have a video where I make these patches. So I'll have it linked up right here, or I'll have a link in my description so you can go and check that out. So coming back, all you have to do is taking these patches, you have to tape them on your paper clip, or you can simply just hot glue them so they are super sturdy, and that is it. It is so cute and you can make bunch of the patches and also can share it with your friends. To make this magnetic bookmark, all you need is a paper and some magnets. So starting off, you're firstly going to fold the paper in half, and I'm drawing arrow here, but you can absolutely draw anything of your choice, and then taking the magnet you're going to stick them on the arrow using some sellotape. And before sticking the other magnet, make sure that you're taping it in the right direction so they don't ripple. Once they are in place, go ahead and cut the excess tapes and you're left with this amazing magnetic bookmark. So for this bookmark, all you guys need is some wool and a paper clip. Then you're going to create a tassel, and don't worry, it is super easy to make. So basically you're going to wrap a wool for around 30 to 40 times around your hand, and then you're going to cut it in half because we have to place it in the paper clip. Then we're going to take another strand of wool and cut it in half and tie a knot around the tassel to create an amazing looking tassel. And this is how it looks like. It is super cute.